I'm building this bus into a fully functional, bio-integrated greenhouse because it's parked in a part of the world that many people view as only valuable for the resources that can be extracted from it. Or worse yet, a place that can be exploited or contaminated with toxic spills because there are insufficient numbers of people out here to defend it. Out here, surrounded by this absolute abundance of natural beauty, it's really easy to be unable to see the forest for the value of the trees. Until the trees are clear-cut, leaving the land that was forest scarred and barren. It's those scars on the landscape that remind me to reuse materials, because it may not be my backyard that the parts from a bus were taken from, but it's somewhere out there, maybe a different landscape or someone else's home. They might care that the scars on their landscape brought as much usefulness and joy as absolutely possible. I look forward to a future in which materials are extracted with the least destruction possible, only used to make non-toxic products that won't cause harm during their use phase, and then disposed of or reused in a reasonable and well thought out way, so that these wild spaces can continue to inspire, because the best solutions come from a foundation of loving people and places in this world.